20th of June 2022. You can press the call button.
Yeah.
We are here on Puistomäki, Backen 1 staircase. D. Is it D? I think D.
Yeah.
And this is a rectangular house which has 6 staircases, but only 5 have elevators. Staircase F has only 3 floors without an elevator. This one has 4 floors and was built at the turn of the year 1994-95, finished in 1995. Its number is H6, it gets has these numbers to 25 grams, and it's going to be inspected this year in 2022. Turned 25 years old in 2020. Look at that, 2 no smoking signs here. That's a bit absurd.
Yeah.
Weird sound.
Yeah.
I like the smell in here.
Same here.
Let's do a side try.
Inspekteerparkgewijs, maintained by Kone.
That's it, thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the staircase again. That will be the last one to be filmed in this residual thing.
Yeah. That's